So we met a Jaguar LA-210. They had 4 boxes per side, left and right. They had 2 dual subs on the ground. That's the Jaguar LA-218. And they had equalizers, crossovers, and an analog console to be placed with a Midas M32. This is the length, the width, and from the stage to the first listener's point. Then we took all this information into our software and we found out that the line array is projecting well but not that perfect, but the subs are not even going anywhere at all. So we had to do a lot of processing. To optimize the sound, we had to do tuning, time alignment, phase alignment, top to sub.